Okay, like I said before, we're going to get into some little bit more complex things here. We're going to try to do a Boolean and a pro-Boolean. Sounds French, doesn't it? Well, let's take some objects, just do some real quick objects here. Boom, we got us a box. Okay, let's get that off. That's left over from last time, what we were doing before. Ta-da, now we got that. Now let's do a sphere. We're going to take a sphere and add this to it as well. I want to change the color of that. I don't like the color. Yes, I heard you. I don't like the color of it. I'm going to make it purple. I like purple. It's a cool color. And we're going to make this box. Oops, we've already done that. Yes. Okay. Should have made that when I had the chance. Should have made a different color. Well, I can always come back. If I come under the modify, I can come in there and I can change the color of the box, whatever I want. Let's make it yellow. Yeah, that's okay. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to do Boolean. We're going to take these things in here and hopefully get something interesting out of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the sphere, and we're going to set it right in there. We're going to move it up a little bit. And we're just going to set it in there and see what we come up with. Now you see those two objects are together. They're not really merged. They're not, one's not subtracted from the other, etc. Well, that's what Boolean does. But you got to come over here and you got to come to compound objects. But you have to select what you want. So what do we want? Well, do we want a pro-Boolean or Boolean? Well, let's take the simple. We'll take the Boolean first. So we're going to do that. Now that we've decided what we're going to take, come over here. There's Boolean right there. Basically, what this does is just take one object from another. You can subtract them, merge them, etc. But we'll look into that in just a second. So we're going to do Boolean. So we hit Boolean. You can call it, let's just keep it the box, what we're going to do. Now that we've highlighted, we're going to Boolean the second object from it. Do we want to copy it or instant? We're just going to I'll just leave it as is right now so we can kind of get a better idea. Now it says pick operand B. Well, that's what we want to do. That's the second object we want to pick. That would be the circle. And now notice how it subtracted the circle from the square. If you come in here, we'll zoom in. It looks like a nice dome shape. You can get some really cool stuff when you do that. It didn't go anywhere. It's still there, but what it did is it subtracted the sphere from the square. And that's what Boolean does. And what we can do is we can come down here and see here's where you have the operation of union, intersection, subtraction, A and B. You can reverse them. You can say subtract B from A. So now, see, look, there's your circle. I said it didn't go anywhere, or the sphere, excuse me, didn't go anywhere. But now, ooh, look, where's the square? It's gone. No, it's not. It's still there. But you now you have the subtracted area from that. And you can flip back and forth. Whoops. Let me come back. You can flip back and forth between the two of them and kind of see if you want A and B. If you want to merge them, if you want a union, that's what they'd look like together. If you just want the intersections of those two, what the intersection that they look like on the inside together, of how they fit together. Or again, like I said, subtraction A and B, B and A. You can cut it if you wish. You see the cut line around this. Here's where the sphere is here. But really, just all we're just going to do is just going to subtract it and just kind of look at it that way and see what that does. And you can do this always when you want to update it. You can do it just when you're rendering, or you can do it manually, whichever way, which way you want to do. You can still see the circle. If you notice down here in the display, you can just show the results of what happens. You can show the operands if you need to move that. If you want to. Here, we'll do that just real quick. We'll do a quick move. Whoop, no, hold things together. Oops, sorry, hold on. Try that again. What do I do? Oh, results and hit. There we go. That shows what's happening there. You can see the operand and the box itself. So that's a quick down and dirty on Boolean, just real quick. Whoops, let me show it. Let me pop it back up there, and we can see we'll just show the results. And we'll see what happens. We can do the union of them. Okay? But there we go. There's that. Okay? There's how to do Boolean.